All right, we are going to finish this, hopefully. I have somebody coming at 5 that I need in a half hour, so hopefully I can get this done in that time. So where do we leave off? We had this failing because the database was wrong. Yeah, where did I push another thing there? Soft release command. No, that was what I was looking at. Okay, let me just look at what Kurt sent me. Yeah, so I think I just need to get rid of Prisma right in many places. I'm going to let validate run so that it type checks, because I'm pretty sure it's all type checked, but I just want to make sure. Because that would be unfortunate if it failed because of a type check problem. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, still have a couple Prisma writes left that we can look at. Let's get centered going. There we go. Starting session. Are you ready to flow? I am ready to flow. Let's flow. Let's get that build going. That should be faster now, I think, because it should be cached now. Okay. Pretty sure hold on a second. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I set that. That was 2 hours ago, I guess. Could be considered 2 hours ago. Release v1. Oh, right. Okay, so now it's not working because I think what it was saying, constraint on field email. So how are we going to do this? How about this? We change the script to be an upsert. Can I do upsert with? I'm pretty sure I can do an upsert. Where's migrate? Yep. Yep. Let's just do that. Right? No? Oh, I thought that was working. Prisma upsert. Oh, update and create. That's right. There we go. I think that'll make update more reliable. Or migrate. That's I was like, that does not sound right. Migrate, more reliable. Okay, cool. So now let's cancel this actually, because it's not going to work. Okay, so that build was successful. That's interesting. Oh yeah, okay, so the first one, 6 minutes 42, second one, 2 minutes 53. Still not super fast, but definitely quite a bit faster. So this should be quite a bit faster. Whoa, whoops. Okay, let's see, activity here. Yep. I'm so glad I decided to do this as a separate app and do a DNS swap. That is going to be way, way better. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, see, it's just grabbing all this out of the cache, I think. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can look at the Prisma write situation. Yeah, Prisma write. Okay, so these are the ones where we need to have a special API that the primary can respond to. So we're going to have routes, resources. This will be connect discord.ts. Callback. Yeah, here we are. Yeah, you know what? I think this will work. This will be pretty cool. So we'll export or remix action. Don't need that. Get rid of all that and we can bring it in. So then we'll say, okay, so pretty much I just want to take this request and change its method to a post. See, because Discord is calling me with a get or sending the user over here with a get. I just want to forward that on as a post. So could I do that? Could I take this? Whoops. Just take this, stick it here, and then say fetch request with method of post. Would that work? Let's just see what happens.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Thanks, me. I don't know if you all can hear that when it says stuff like you're doing great. Keep going. But sure makes me feel good about myself. Okay, so we'll delete that connection. And we'll say connect to Discord. And then let's clear all this out so we can hopefully see what happens. Open this up and say authorize. Okay. Yeah, I got some sort of weird nonsense there. Discord callback code. I'm not sure how we ended up rendering this UI. Oh, because this is a child route. Okay, yeah, that's interesting. So what happened here? Capture request. Okay, so I think I'm going to need, here we are. Got the response. Got the loader request. Okay. Hey, got the response. So it did. It went through. Yeah, okay. It just, interestingly, is it refreshing over and over again? No, I don't think so. So, got the loader request. Here we are. Got the request for in there. And our cookies are in there and everything, so that's cool. And then we got the response. So the reason that we're doing this, just in case you're watching, you're like, why would you call yourself? Is because we've got a distributed database or a distributed database with a primary region. That primary region, whoa, hello, sorry, just got my app just ran out of memory. Possibly because I've got too much data. Yeah, that's actually very possibly what's going on there. Yeah, I'll have to look at that in a sec. Anyway, so we've got one region that can write data. All the other ones cannot write. They can only read. And we do that for consistency. So if we need to write anything, we actually need to say, we actually send a response back with a special header that says, hey, replay this request in the primary region so that region can do the write. And then the other regions can handle it from there. So the only way that I've gotten this to work in a nice way is to say all post requests automatically get redirected to the primary region. So actually, I could also say headers request or const request equals request.clone, and then we'll say and rec.headers.set fly prefer region env.primary region. And then we say rec. There we go. This could be undefined. There we go. Okay. So what this is going to do is it's going to say, hey, send a request back to myself. Oh, and we want to do if we're not the primary region. So let's see. How did I do this? Let's look at what it is right now in Prisma.server. Fly region, where is that coming from? Fly region. Do I only want to replay it if we're, because like if we are the primary region, then we can just do this. Let me do that. Handle Discord callback request. Then we just stick all of this in here. Okay. And then here we'll say we get the fly region, and if the fly region is the if we're the primary, and just return handle Discord callback with a request. Otherwise, we'll clone it. Do all this stuff. Yeah, actually, that was a pretty good comment. Thank you. If we're in a secondary region, so we need to proxy the request to the primary region for the writes. Okay, that'll work. We're going to call that good. Prisma write dot. So this can just be a regular Prisma now. Okay, let's see about this problem, the out of memory thing. So, yeah, ran out of memory running the migrate thing. Makes sense. So the first thing I need to figure out is what my scale is, or my memory is for. Oh, and one other thing I need to do, actually, migrate. This migrate script should only happen in the primary region. So, we're gonna move this down. If process env. Okay, where's? Oh, let's delete that. We don't need that anymore. Fly region. If the fly region is not equal to process env primary region, and yeah. So I only want to do this in the primary region, and yeah, that is very important. Fly scale app withered frost memory. Oops. Oh, a show. There we go. Show. Okay.
I hope your day is going rad.
Okay, yeah. So I've got a lot more memory in my current app than I do in the one that I'm going to be using. Okay, so I need to look at the docs for fly scale memory. Memory MB. Okay. Okay, cool. now we should be good to do this change. Oh, come on. Fix Prisma migration script to only run in primary region. And we'll commit the rest. Fix Discord to only write in primary region. Oh, let's let it verify. I would hate TypeScript to spoil our fun. Oh, yeah, and it will. Oh, well, that stinks. Our finally is going to fail. Okay. And got 11 minutes. That should cancel any moment now because this one's going. Okay, so let's continue with this. So for our session, yeah, I would do this differently too. Sign out. We do that in delete account, and in here this is action function. So yeah, this is safe to, oh wait, no, require admin user will sign out also, and that and require user, and those definitely happen in loaders. Yep, there it is. So here's what we're going to do. Sign out TS load, or nope, remix action. This will do session.sign out, or session get session. There we go. Request. That returns a promise, right? Session sign out. And then we're not going to throw a redirect. We can just return a redirect. But then check this out. This is kind of a fun little idea. We'll export a function called sign out, and we'll say, similar to what we did in the Discord thing, actually, Discord callback.
You're doing a phenomenal job.
Thank you, self. Where's that? I need that too. Okay, so if we are in the right region, then we can just do a regular sign out thing. So sign request out. Yeah, this is stupid, but whatever. So that way we can just call sign out and it'll throw the response or whatever. So that'll work. Otherwise, we will get a response from await, or get our request or rec from request.clone, and we'll say yeah, rec, well, the URL needs to be, yeah, get domain URL from the request. I can't remember, that ends in host. I just can't remember if this ends in a slash or not. There, does not end it in a slash, apparently. Okay. Main URL does without a ending slash. Okay, is that who I've been expecting? Probably. Okay, I gotta go. Thanks, everybody. See ya. Just kidding. They aren't here yet, but they will be soon. So hopefully. So let's see here. Have about 1 million notifications. Just want to clear those out so that when the real notification comes, we're good. Okay, yeah, we're still good. I still have hopefully 5 minutes to get this done. Okay, so get domain URL. The fetch is going to be that slash resources sign out. And then we'll send the request because it has all the other headers and stuff that we want. And then we'll throw the response, or let's throw that. Is that how that will that work? No, that's a promise. I can't throw a promise. We're gonna wait that and throw the response. Yeah, because the response is gonna have the set cookie and all of that stuff. So cool. And then the action here is gonna do sign out, request out, request. Okay, there we go. So now, everywhere we call sign out, So this one's in an action, so we are actually fine with just this. So here, let's add a note about this. You should only use this if you're if you need to sign the user out in a GET request. If you're in a post request on the in the primary region, then we're fine to just call session sign out. Directly. Okay, there we go. So these two are both fine. Wait a second. So why did I do the whole thing? There was another place where we do a sign out, I thought. Yeah, right here. Why is that not showing up on? Oh, it is. It's just right there. Okay. Hold on a second. We don't need to export this. Let's do that. Sign out on get. Okay. Yeah. Or actually, you know what? Yeah, that's fine. Yep, that'll work. You know what? This should probably, yeah, we should just return a response from this. And then this can get our response and throw response. There we go. I think that'll work. So require admin user. Let's test this out. Yep, the deployment failed again. We'll figure that out here in a moment. So if I log out, see you soon. That's nice. And then if I say go to calls admin, then I end up where I'm supposed to. That's good. If I go to Cody at kcd.dev, Cody, that's interesting. It changed order. That smells like a revalidation to me. Oh, that's probably because of strict mode. Yeah, annoying thing. I don't have time to explain. Calls me. This should log me out. Or calls admin. This will log me out. Oh, no, didn't log me out. But it didn't let me in. I thought that, okay, who calls require admin user? Yeah, it calls in the loader function. I mean, it does redirect, so that at least is good, but I think I want it to do the whole sign out. Okay, so this give me back a 302. And it did not give me a set cookie. Hold on a second. I'm just curious, how did this end up giving me a Dallas Fort Worth? That should not have happened. Unless, hold on a second. I bet I know how that happened. Primary region. That's why. Because that's what I have set in the .env. But now we're doing Denver as my primary region now. Okay, so this should say Denver. Good. Okay, somebody's at the door. I gotta go. Was so close, but we'll finish this up. I might just do this by myself tonight. We'll see. See ya.